on the uh, URL to QR code Magic Button software. I built this for Chrome, but I remember that you can also use this on Edge also. So if you're not using Chrome and you're using Microsoft Edge, um, I I think about 4 years ago, maybe five, Microsoft switched it over to Chromium. So they allow you to use the Chrome extensions. So I'll show you here. If you open up Edge, you go to the three ellipses up here, okay, and you can click on that. Then you go to extensions, and it's off screen right now, but I'm gonna click on Manage Extensions, okay. And then on Edge, I added these extensions already, but you scroll all the way to the bottom down there, and Microsoft decided to hide it way at the bottom there. But it'll tell you that you can actually use the Chrome Web Store, which all of my extensions I built is for Chrome. So they have a link way down at the bottom here. So if you click on that, that takes you to the Chrome Store, okay? And they allow you to use the extensions from Chrome. So there's a lot of extensions on Chrome, but not too many on Edge. So here you can search. I'm just gonna search my domain name, and you'll see all my extensions that I built for Chrome down here. So I already added them here. And I'll show you here. To add it is really simple. You just click on it, and this is one of the one that I built. Okay, and you can watch the videos or etc. Okay, and I made this really small so that you can actually see everything here. Okay, the overview of the extension. Okay, and then you could just click right here. It says remove. We'll just remove it for now, but you could just click on Get. Okay, add extension. It's going to add it up here on your toolbar here, but you won't see it here until you pinned it. So you'll click on View Extension, and this is the new one. So we're going to pin it, and then you'll see the little icon here now so that you can use it now. Okay. So this training is not really about this, but it's actually just to use the URL to QR code Magic Button that I built. So if you're using Chrome, you can go to the Chrome store, and then it's very similar. You can add it onto and then pin it to your taskbar up here. Okay, so I'll go back to the training here. So that's how, if you're using Edge, yes, you can use the Chrome extensions, which makes and it actually improves your browser by a large margin. Okay, probably make you a power user. So this training is about the this app here is the URL to QR code Magic Button. Okay, so I built that for Chrome, but you can use it for Edge also. So what that software does is, for example, once you pin it up here, I'm gonna turn it off here real quick. Okay, so you see these links here. So if I click here on the screen here, it just kind of shows me a bunch of stuff. And Edge is very similar to Chrome. You can actually create a QR code for this page here. Then you can scan it with your phone. What it doesn't do is for certain links. Okay, if you click on certain links, it doesn't give you a QR code. Okay, so what this software does is it helps you transfer things on your desktop, PC, or laptop to your phone. Okay, so for example, I'll show you here on a website that I know here. Let's go to this website here. Okay, so on this website here, you have these phone numbers here. Okay, so phone number, emails, and etc. So if I click on this, if I do a right click on it, I could copy it, etc. But here's the thing though, I wanted to call that business. So I have to grab my phone and then I have to type in the area code and the phone number. Okay, there's not really a shortcut, but with this app here, I turn it on, I go to the phone number, or right click, and it automatically kicks out the QR code, which I could just scan on my phone and then hit dial. Okay. Similarly, if there's an email, I could right click on it and it's gonna generate the QR code and just scan it and send someone an email. Okay, so it makes it really simple. It's very similar if you watch the other videos. If you go to Facebook, there's a video that you want to save on your phone or watch it on your phone. You can generate a QR code. Pretty much every link that you see, if there's a link here, let's say the About Us here, right click that, it changes that link to a QR code. Whatever's behind that link, it's going to kick that out and generate a QR code for you. Then you can just scan it with your phone. You can go to it. Movies, if you're purchasing stuff on, let's say, Amazon, etc. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can do with it. I'm gonna go to these other tabs here. I'm gonna close out of these here. I'm gonna go to Craigslist here. Okay, I'm gonna close out of that one. I think I have another one open here. So say if you're searching Craigslist and etc. and there's pets, and let's pick cockatiels. And let's say I want more information about this cockatiel. I'll hit reply here on Craigslist. And my computer is really slow today. Okay, reply. Say there's an email here. Okay, so in Craigslist, they give you that option to copy it and so forth. Okay, then you copy it, and where do you do it? What do you do with it? You can't really do much with it. So if you have the app turned on here, you can just right click it and it kicks out that QR code, scan it with your phone and send off your email. Okay, if I go back here, let's pick something else with the phone number so we can German Shepherd here. There's a text here, SMS. Go to the phone number, right click, see that QR code it generates. Yeah, use your phone, scan it, and then automatically you don't have to actually type in all those numbers if you don't want to. Okay, so it bridges your browser here or your desktop PC right to your phone, so it just makes things a lot easier there. Say Maltese. Let's reply. There's an email here. We could just automatically generate that. Okay, so if you're not on your own machine where you can use your email account and etc., it's a great way to just use that app there, and you can just scan it right off your phone, and then you can make that call or send that message. Go to that image there. You like that image? Well, you can do a QR code and scan it on your phone and have it on your phone. So you don't have to remember that long path here. Okay, so you save that on your phone. Okay, browse around. I like that. Generate a QR code, scan it with my phone. Okay, and then it'll appear in your phone. It'll open the browser and it'll appear there as well. Okay, so it's a great way to quickly grab stuff from pretty much any website here. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and let's close out of some of these here so I can't reach the other tabs there. Okay, let's go to another site here. Let's say CNN or something. Let's go to their website here. You can download files too. There's other stuff you can do too. You can just have fun with it. Let's say we'll click on something here. I know it works on Facebook, I believe Twitter and everything else too. Just pretty much anything with a link behind it. If you click it, even on things that don't have it. Oh, I need to sign in to use things. Let's go back one step there. Okay, let's say this image here. Okay, this one won't do it. Grab that. Yep, there we go. Okay, so there's time when the way websites are designed where it injects stuff into the web page, which you can't really pull because there's no link behind it. Let me go to Facebook here. Not sure if I have to sign in. They have to sign in to actually see things here. Okay, so right click that and it'll kick out that QR code. I'm gonna do one more here. I'm gonna go back to that website there. Let's go to contact us. So if you ever see these links here, these Facebook and YouTube links here, the app, when you turn it on, you can actually pull that QR code right off of those also. And you'll get that right there. You leave your cursor there, you'll see the web link there. Okay. Also, so it makes it really simple to contact and grab links off of pretty much anything around here. Okay. So I'll close out of that. And that is the app. It is called the URL to QR code magic button. So it yanks URL links, SMS, telephones, numbers, files, and music. If you're on a music site, it'll yank the link for you and you can scan it with your phone. But it's a great way to get stuff off your desktop right into your phone, so you can view it and save it. So that's the app. You can grab it from the Chrome store, or you can go to the website, and I think we have a link up there as well. But it is free, of course. Yeah, so it doesn't cost you anything. But yes, this training. There's another video on this on the Chrome side. But on the Edge side, Microsoft Edge, it works fine. All the extension that I built, they all work. I think there's like 5 that I built, so they all work. There's a lot of other tools out here that you can download. The dangerous website detector. This one's been changed to, I think it's called the Cookie Boss. So when you go to a different website, it shows you exactly what that website dumps on your computer to track you. And you can delete those per tabs for each domain wherever you are. You can export it. You can set dangerous countries. So, and this tells you the IP, the country that this website is stationed at, and how many cookies and tracking devices is dropping onto your computer. If you don't like those, you can delete them right off your browser, so that they're not stuck on your PC tracking you all the time. And there's a few others that I designed that are utilities that I always use as well. But yeah, this training is for the URL to QR code magic button, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it. I hope you like it, and I hope it helps you. Other than that, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.